I only have a couple of minutes left. I want to talk to you about how I would put this into practice if I were still a program director. Is that okay with you? Can I talk about how I would do that? When I was a program director at WBRU, we had a client called Bandstand Live. And Bandstand Live was basically, it was like WeWork for bands. It was a shared practice space, and bands would come together, and they could, they could jam, they could leave their equipment there, they could record, they could do whatever they needed to do. The problem was, it was in the middle of nowhere, Rhode Island. It was among all these abandoned buildings. And so the client didn't just want to run ads on the radio, they wanted to get band members into the facility so that they could see it, because they felt that seeing it was what would make the band members sign up. So we put together an event. We put together a moderated panel discussion. And I hosted it, and we brought in a couple of record label reps, a band manager, a booking agent, things like that. And we just asked all these questions that bands would need to know to further their career. And it gave a lot of these local bands an opportunity to connect with each other and to connect with people that they would never have access to otherwise. And the client was thrilled. But there were only about 200 people in the room. This was not about reaching a ton of people. This was about reaching the right people, creating a space for them, and bringing them together. If I were to build a community today, I would do the same thing, but I'd follow the blueprint I've written, and I'd bring in all these new digital tools that I didn't have 25 years ago when we did this. And it would be an ongoing 365-day-a-year community with virtual events and with a Facebook group. And you know what? I think Guitar Center would pay a lot of money for that, because it's everybody who plays a guitar in one place. I think you could monetize that.